Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to write 3.4% as a decimal. So let's start with today's video solution. So right now 3.4 percentage is in terms of decimal as well as in percentage, and we have to write in terms of decimal only. So let's start. So first we remove this percentage sign. So how can we remove? So this symbol denotes 1 by 100. So in place of this symbol, we can write 1 by 100. So 3.4 times 1 by 100, or we can write it as 34 by 10 times 1 by 100. So it becomes 34 by 1000. And so there are three zeros in denominator. So it's 0, 3, 4. We will write decimal hand here, and there is no digit. So we will write 0. So 3.4% in terms of decimal is 0.034. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.